In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a zoom-in effect in Kapwing. If you're looking to give your videos a dynamic touch by adding zoom effects, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step of the process, from uploading your video to fine-tuning the zoom settings. Let's start by navigating to Kapwing's website. Once you've opened the page, you'll want to look for the Media button. It's usually quite prominent on the interface, providing access to all your creative files. Now, with the Media tab opened, go ahead and select Upload Media. This option allows you to bring in the video file you want to edit. On your device, choose the video that you're planning to apply the zoom-in effect to and upload it. Kapwing supports various file formats, making this part of the process quick and hassle-free. With your video uploaded, direct your attention to the timeline. Click on your video clip in the timeline. By doing so, you'll bring up the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you can adjust different parameters and, most importantly, delve into the animation features. Next, locate the Animation tab within the settings. Clicking on this tab presents a range of options, but what you're interested in is the Moving Zoom option. Selecting this will apply the zoom-in effect to your video. Now, here's where your creative control comes in. Use the sliders provided to adjust the speed and magnitude of the zoom. These controls are intuitive, letting you set precisely how dramatic or subtle you want the zoom effect to be. It's a great opportunity to experiment and see what suits your video style best. Once you've set the zoom to your liking, it's time to preview your work. You'll find the play button nearby, enabling you to see the zoom effect in action. Previewing is essential to ensure everything looks just as you imagined. If it doesn't, you can always go back and tweak the settings using the sliders. Finally, when you're satisfied with the preview, you can proceed to export your project. Clicking on Export Project begins the process of rendering your video with the new zoom effect. Once exported, your video is ready to be downloaded and shared. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create compelling zoom-in effects using Kapwing. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add a professional touch to your videos. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!